Good afternoon, friends. Myself Diptesh, and I am presently heading cybersecurity practice in Ensure Services Reddington Group. So I wish all of you are safe, healthy, and connected. And please do maintain social distancing, as this is the need of the hour. Now, let me tell you why I am here today. As we all know that entire country is working from home, and we are using companies' information and data from our personal devices. So this is the time we should be more careful in terms of securing our company's data and assets. Now, what are some of the key risks, like using insecure Wi-Fi network, poorly managed endpoints, scams and malicious mails targeting employees, and finally lack of awareness or having a proper understanding in terms of cybersecurity practices. Now let me give you an example. Couple of years before, one of India's cooperative bank got compromised, and what happened there, the hackers got access to the ATM switching server, and what they did is they bypassed the switching system which is connected to the payment gateway, and they have created a proxy switching server, and all the fraudulent transactions has been approved through that switching server, and they got in the process 94 crores in 15,000 transactions. Now the message what I am trying to drive here is, if bank who has a better security in place, if they can get compromised, then it is very easy for small or mid organization to get compromised. We have come up with a free assessment services which will help you to identify the gaps and take necessary measures for small and medium sized organization. Now, some of the key elements of this assessment services: first, endpoint security, both laptop, desktop and mobility, which includes your BYOD policy. Second, network security, and third, sensitive data protection. Now, taking this assessment will not give your organization any certification, but what it will do is, it will help you to have the best practices in place which will help you to reduce the cyber risk. So if you would like to have this free assessment services, you can connect with our team and avail this service. So definitely this is something which we feel is the need of the hour. Thank you.